Hi everyone, Mike here with Zap Glue. And today we're going to be talking about tips. Now we offer two types of tips. We offer our Flexi Tip and then we offer our Z-End. The Flexi Tip allows for precision control over the glues, especially that thin CA, the pink label, like we talked about in a previous video. And then the other one is our Z-End. This is the same tip that hangs on the glue bottle. So if you like a more rigid tip, the Z-End is for you. Also in the Z-End, we've got some micro tubing that can be inserted through the end of the tip to allow for additional reach. We always recommend that you use a tip when using the glues, because then the nipple on the bottle doesn't get hardened up and you can pop this tip off, put a new tip on, and continue to use all that glue that you purchased. So I'm really looking forward to seeing those planes that you built using the Zap Glue tips on all of your Zap Glue bottles.